spun out.
Hi, Doc. What you up down to? Hi, Doc. What you up to? Hi, Doc. Hi. Hi, Cody, Wyoming. There is a Cody, Wyoming, you know. Hey, wouldn't that be something? That was his middle name, Wyoming. Cody. Cody. Hi, Cody,
I
Wyoming.
don't even know what his middle name is.
What?
James. Oh, James. Okay.
James is his middle name?
I guess so.
I didn't even know it either. What? We could call him Jim now.
Oh, look at the towels. I'm recording your towels.
Oh no!
Look at that. Look at that.
Which way?
Look,
Upside down? Oh, wow! How'd they get there? Did you know you put water in there from the top? You did?
Oh.
You put water in from the top, didn't you?
Make sure you drink that.
Did you put you put the water in from the top, didn't you?
I'm surprised it didn't spill all over. That would be funny.
Did you hear that?
Don't forget to drink it.
I told him you put the water in from the top.
Don't forget to drink it.
Is that right? Hey, that's not on right now, is it? Is that pause? You didn't put it on right now, did you?
I didn't pause it.
Oh. Oh my. Hi, Cody, Wyoming. It's not on right now, is it? Is it moving? Are you recording right now?
Are you recording yourself spinning in a cup? Yeah.
Oh no! I mean, oh
I'm
yes.
gonna put a wallpaper too.
Don't spit in the cup.
I'm gonna go get some more water.
Oh my! Just think of oh, that's not on. Sometime I gotta see if I can get one of my tape recorders fixed. I keep saying it year after year.